Do you know about Asian sweets? Asian sweets are colorful, unique, and full of amazing flavors you might not find in other desserts. From chewy rice cakes to sweet red bean paste, Asian desserts come in many shapes, colors, and tastes, and they're often made with natural, healthy ingredients. Let's take a look at 3 sweet facts about Asian desserts that will make you want to try them all. Fact number 1. Many are made with rice. In many Asian countries, rice isn't just for lunch or dinner, it's also used in desserts. One popular ingredient is glutinous rice, also known as sticky rice. It's soft, chewy, and perfect for making sweet treats. Here are some famous rice-based desserts. Mochi Japan, chewy rice, cakes filled with sweet paste or ice cream. Biko Philippines, sticky rice topped with sweet coconut. Teo Korea, colorful rice cakes used in celebrations. Rice gives these sweets a fun texture that's different from cookies or cakes. Fact number 2. Red bean is a popular filling. In many Asian sweets, you'll find something called red bean paste. It's made by cooking and sweetening red beans called azuki beans. Even though it's made from beans, it tastes sweet, smooth, and rich, kind of like chocolate, but healthier. Red bean paste is used in mooncakes China, dorayaki Japan, taiyaki fish-shaped pastry, sticky rice dumplings. It might sound strange at first, but many people grow to love it after the first bite. Fact number 3. They're not always super sweet. Unlike desserts in some countries that are loaded with sugar, many Asian sweets are lightly sweetened. That means you get just enough sweetness without it being too heavy or sugary. A lot of Asian desserts also use natural ingredients like fruits like mango, lychee, and coconut, green tea matcha, sesame seeds, and peanuts. They're often served in small sizes, so you get to enjoy the flavor without feeling stuffed. Final thoughts: Asian sweets are full of variety, flavor, and fun. From soft matcha to crispy pastries, and sweet beans to tropical fruits, there's something for everyone to try. If you've never had an Asian dessert before, now might be the perfect time to explore a whole new world of treats. What do you think about today's topic? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more.